Laxmikant. I am from Sinar Sheetmetal Solutions, and we are part of Micromatic Group. And traditionally, Micromatic Group has been with metal cutting, with VMCs and turning. Over the last 4 years, we have started with laser cutting and sheet metal industry, and we give solutions for laser cutting and laser welding and anything to do with sheet metal, basically. Right. So here you can see the laser cutting machine. This is what we are basically cutting. So you can see that we have done the cutting as well as engraving on this. I mean, these are mostly for the architectural gifting things, but with laser cutting you also do a lot of industrial products. Here you see we don't just provide the traditional kind of 2D cutting. We also provide a lot of technically advanced machines and one-off special machines as well. This is one such machine. It is basically integrated with a robo. It's a laser cutting machine on a robo. You can't do this on a regular 2D cutting machine. So basically the forming is done. After forming, basically you want to put the holes on them or any other features on the formed component. So you will use a robo like this. Traditionally people use a 5-axis machine, which is going to be very expensive. So we are kind of trying to offer a solution that is cost effective, at the same time technically good product.